Good morning. Today, quickly, we're going to be discussing The Repairing by Kidi Obi Awadu. Brother Kidi, of course. It's cutting-edge research to serve an emerging leadership. The Repairing, let me show you the back first. Has some endorsements. That's the author there. And some photos. Okay. This book is interesting. First, it's a nice size, of course, but the first page, signed, of course, Silver Khalifa, but the copyright is on the first title page. That's unique, right? Copyright 2017. So this is just last year, actually. Just last year from Las Vegas. And here are the contents as far as this book is concerned. Okay. The Repairing is about, reparations is a theme through here, but it's not about reparations like you normally think. Okay, here's more. Before we get into that, I just want to show the rest of the table of contents. Because the Repairing, what if reparations were such a practical idea that we deliberately took the lead and did it for ourselves, okay? Leadership. This book is for people who are leaders, emerging leaders, consider themselves to be leaders. And then we have an introduction. I'm going to read this quote by Frederick Douglass. You have seen how a man was made a slave. You shall see how a slave was made a man. Seizing the reparations initiative now. So, reparations. If you don't know what reparations is payment for work. To put simply, there's a lot of types of reparations, but as far as black people go, who were enslaved Africans, our ancestors, reparations would atone for what our ancestors have broke their backs for as far as the United States of America. Here we have the 9 foundations for reparations, and a quote by Zora Neale Hurston. Just gonna hit some of these 9 foundations before we end this video. Compensation for stolen labor, which I just mentioned. Okay, we have a lot of bullet points here. Okay, paradigm shift, creating black wealth from black labor, please, yes. Okay, we have land recovery and development, but you have to have land if you're going to be a free people. Family and community, that's that unity. And economic development, of course. Education. Revising our historical perspective. Transnational relations, right? Just a Pan-African view that we're all brothers and sisters of the African diaspora. Repairing our health status, because health is important. Brother Kidi is also a very health foodist, raw foodist. Listen to his advice on food, you guys, because he is definitely one of the most successful people I know as far as promoting health foods and then actually being healthy also. In crime and justice. And I think that was the last point. And then summarizing, okay? I'm not going to go further details into that. I do recommend people pick up a copy of The Repairing. I'll put a link into the description, or you can just visit his website. And he has DVDs that go with this, but therepairing.com seems to be where there's more information for this. So yeah, thank you, Brother Kidi, for writing this book. Especially in today's time, usually people think about reparations and it's like, oh, you go back to the 90s or the 80s. But no, this is 2017, and this is actually how we can take the lead in progressing as a people without looking for somebody else to make it right. You know, leadership. All right, thanks for watching, you guys, and please subscribe to this channel for more book videos every day. Peace.